The more carefully we observe daily life, the more investment opportunities we discover. Human beings travel, fall in love, work, marry, communicate, and build families. And behind every one of these activities, there are industries earning money. In the previous video, we explored industries built around relationships, intimacy, tourism, and hotels. However, if you observe carefully, hotels, travel, tourism, and hospitality all belong to one giant category, that is, the service sector. And this service sector is much bigger than most people imagine. From engineering services to search engines, to job portals, to outsourcing companies, many businesses around us are actually service businesses. And because we use these services daily, they also create investment opportunities. So today, let's explore the world of servicing industries. Let's start with one of the most important service industries around us, that is engineering. Several branches of engineering services work together to support the lifestyle we enjoy today. Different engineering services are responsible for different products, technologies, and infrastructure around us. So, now let us understand some of the major types of engineering services which power the modern world around us. Engineering quietly powers almost every activity in our life, whether we are traveling, working, shopping, communicating, or even going on dates. Engineering supports modern life at every step. Now let's understand some major types of engineering services which powers the modern world around us. Electrical engineering. We have already discussed the importance of electricity in one of our previous videos. However, electricity alone is not enough. We need machines, systems, and equipments through which this electrical energy can actually be used. From automobiles and motors to aircraft systems and industrial machinery, electrical engineering helps in designing, manufacturing, and operating these technologies smoothly. Whether it is the fan above us, the lights in our room, or the metro systems in our cities, electrical engineering is everywhere around us. Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering and electrical engineering works together. Mechanical engineering powers movement and industry. The vehicle we drive, the elevators we use, the washing machines in our homes, and air conditioners all depends on mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering combines creativity, technical knowledge, and analytical tools to manufacture and operate machines efficiently. Computer engineering. Today, modern life runs on screens and softwares. The website we browse, the apps we use, online banking, digital payments, social media, and even video calls. All of these are possible because of computer engineering. Civil engineering. Civil engineering helps in building the physical world around us. Roads, bridges, malls, airports, hotels, and buildings all are developed with the help of civil engineering. It ensures that infrastructure is designed and constructed safely and efficiently. Aerospace engineering. It is used in designing and testing aircrafts and spacecrafts. From air travel and tourism to global connectivity, aerospace engineering plays a major role in the modern economy. Chemical and biomedical engineering. This engineering contributes heavily towards the medical and pharmaceutical industries. Medicines, healthcare equipments, and several medical technologies are developed with the help of these engineering services. All of these engineering services are essential in our personal and professional life. And if we observe carefully, we realize something interesting. Every engineering service around us also creates investment opportunities. However, many investors often get confused about which company to choose. That's where index investing becomes useful. Instead of depending on one company, an index provides diversification by combining multiple strong companies together. If a company underperforms, it may move out of the index while stronger performing companies enter in it. This helps in reducing risk and stabilizing investments over time. And since engineering products and services are used across almost every sector, this industry continues to remain important and critical. Thus, it has to be a part of your portfolio. Today, we have an exercise for you. Find out the engineering companies listed in Indian stock markets and do post it in the comment section. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then
If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.